My name is Kakul Gupta. I joined IMT after my 62-month journey at Ernst & Young, wherein I was an assurance senior. My 8-month IMT journey has been so transformational. My journey started with the PGL lab, wherein all of us went to Dehradun, wherein we could have ice-breaking sessions and we could learn more about team bonding, overcoming interpersonal relationships and challenges. But at the end of the first term, wherein we were given this opportunity to come up with the live project for an industry, we were then transitioned into various student-driven committees, which are alum committee, prison committee, placement committee. Then we also had various CIM sessions. Also recently came back from our international immersion, which was amazing. We also have various industry meets lined up. If you are looking for a transformational journey like mine, then you know where to join.